ready to unleash the ultimate two-way threat on college football 25. We're diving deep today on how to create a virtual Travis Hunter and dominate on both offense and defense. First things first, boot up college football 25 and head into the create a player mode. Obvious step 1, right? Now, let's lock in the basics. Name him Travis Hunter. Choose his position, and this is important, WRCB. To truly capture that two-way magic, don't forget to select his college, Colorado, for the full authentic experience. Alright, now for the physical attributes. Hunter is listed at 6'1" and about 185 pounds, so let's match that as closely as possible for his appearance. Spend some time crafting his likeness in the game. Pay attention to details like hairstyle and skin tone to really bring him to life. You can also adjust individual features to increase resemblance. Now things get serious. Attributes: max out his speed, agility, and awareness as high as the game allows early on. This is Hunter's bread and butter. Crank up his catching, route running, and finesse moves. On the offensive side, on defense, prioritize man coverage, zone coverage, and play recognition. Don't forget jumping and stamina. Hunter's a workhorse. To truly emulate Travis Hunter's impact, you want to be sure to utilize him on key offensive plays and crucial defensive situations. Put him in the slot. Have him run deep routes. Utilize him on trick plays. Let him showcase his skills on defense. Put him in man coverage against the opponent's best, and watch him make a difference. That's how you bring the Travis Hunter experience to your game. Now, go dominate.